This is the folk singer, and I'm still playing the same straight across chord that I was in lesson 8, but now I'm going to take the middle note and change it to a 5. You can see that in the diagram. It's a diagram of a form we're familiar with, and play the 1 on the 2nd string and the 3rd note of the scale on the 4th string. So we get this form. It's a form we're familiar with already, and we've then gone from a C to an F chord. Now let's just look at that. Here I'm playing the straight across form. Now I take the middle string, make it the 5, that's the 3rd string of the guitar, and put the 1 here and the 3rd note of the scale here, and that's my F chord played with my 1st finger behind the 5th fret. Here's the 1, here's the 5, and here's the 3. Now let's go back and look at the diagram and see if we can figure out how to reach the other notes in the scale, the notes that we're not using in the chord. You can see that if you go from the 1 to the space directly behind it, the fret directly behind it, you get the 7. If you go over from the 7 to the 1st string, you get the 3 again. Here's the 3 on the 4th string, and here's the 3 on the 1st string. 7, 1, look at the 5 again, and then go over to the 3, and next to it, 7, and that's on the 5th string. Just above it, another 1, the 5 next to it, and then skipping these you get the 3, which is on the same, behind the same fret, the 5th one, as the 5 is when it's played on the 3rd string. Let's go back. Now if we think of the chord and of the do re mi scale as if it starts here, 1, we've got do re mi fa so, so fa mi re do, do ti la so, fa mi re do. And again you can see that you can figure out the whole scale from the form of the chord. Here's the scale, and here's the chord expressing how to get to the scale. Now that chord, when it's played here, is the F, but if we slide it down all the way to the bottom of the fingerboard, or the beginning of the fingerboard, we get the C chord, and then we can work out the scale in C. So we're ready to look now at the 3rd chord form.